Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to create draft orders in Shopify, step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know how to set up a draft order from scratch, whether you're handling a custom order, selling over the phone, or helping a customer who wants something a little bit different. If you're new to draft orders, don't worry. I'll cover what they are, why they're useful, and how you can leverage them to streamline your workflow and keep your business running smoothly. So let's dive right in. First off, what actually is a draft order? In Shopify, a draft order is essentially an order you create manually, outside the standard online checkout. Think of it as your own personal invoice builder inside Shopify. Draft orders are incredibly handy when you're processing custom requests, selling over email or the phone, or handling exchanges and direct sales that don't go through your storefront. It gives you total control over the products, prices, shipping, and discounts, so you're not limited to what's online. Okay, let's start by logging into your Shopify admin. Once you're in, look to your left-hand menu and find Orders. Go ahead and click on that. All your orders, both completed and in progress, live here. But we don't want just any order. We want a draft order, so look near the top or along the side, and you'll see an option labeled Drafts. Click on Drafts. This is the space dedicated to those on hold or in progress orders. From here, you'll notice a button that says Create Draft Order. Click this and you'll be taken to a new screen where you get to build your order from the ground up. Now, if you already have products in your Shopify store, you can simply search for them right here and add them in. But what if you don't have the product in your catalog yet? No worries. You can manually add a product. Just click Add Custom Item, and then type in the product name, set the price, quantity, and even add a little description if you want. This is perfect if you're selling a one-off item, something that's not normally listed online, or maybe even a services package. Once you've got all the items in the order, it's time to assign a customer. This is a key step, because your customer's details tie the draft order to their account, making fulfillment and communication much easier. Click Add Customer, and either search for an existing customer by name or email, or enter new details if it's their first time ordering from you. Don't forget, this is how Shopify will know where to send confirmation emails and how to generate shipping labels later on. You'll also notice options to add notes and tags. These seem small, but they're super helpful for organization. Notes can be anything you want to remember about this order, maybe instructions for packing, or a reminder about a conversation you had with the customer. Tags are awesome for categorizing orders, like wholesale, phone order, or gift. You'll thank yourself later when you need to filter orders by these specific categories. Almost done. Once you've double-checked everything, the items, customer details, any special notes, just click Save, pause, and let Shopify work its magic. Now your draft order is stored safely, and you can come back to it anytime. You can choose to send an invoice directly to your customer via email, or convert this draft into a completed order when they're ready to pay. And that's it. You just created a draft order in Shopify. Take a moment to appreciate how flexible this tool can be. If you're ever managing custom requests, collecting payment outside your online store, or need to edit an order before it's processed, the draft order feature has your back. If this tutorial helped you out, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, or if you want to see more Shopify tips. Let me know what you want to learn next. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials right here. Thanks for watching.